Hey guys, it's Max Imagination here. In this week's video, you'll learn how to make yourself a pair of bamboo nunchucks from some basic materials. So let's get started. You'll need a 25mm bamboo stick, a bike tube, a 5mm chain that is 6 links long, a beer can, a 5mm bamboo stick, an X-Acto knife, a hot glue gun, a ruler, a hacksaw or a wood saw, a drill machine with a 5mm drill bit that has the same diameter as the bamboo stick, a sheet of sandpaper, and a rubber mallet. Start by sanding your 25mm bamboo stick down until there are no more rough areas left on the surface. Clamp it to your bench vise and cut off a 30cm piece. The hacksaw didn't seem to work so well in cutting it, so I decided to use a wood saw. There we go, this is our 30cm piece. Let's cut one more of them. Mark a 5mm wide gap on the top of your bamboo stick and cut the gap out. And it's 2 centimeters tall. Now we have this done on both of our bamboo sticks. Mark a dot 2 centimeters from the top. We're gonna drill a hole straight through here. Same goes for the other stick. And guys, just if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell not to miss my new videos. Okay, let's get back to the video. Take this 5mm bamboo stick and cut 2 3cm pieces off of it. Now place a chain link in this gap that we've created and take one of these 3cm pieces and slide them through the hole, and you could either super glue it or bang it through if you have a very tight piece. These chains ain't ever gonna come out. Pour some hot glue down the sides of the fixed chain link so that it does not wobble around. Make sure your piece measures 11 by 3 centimeters. Then pour some hot glue around the top piece of your nunchucks and wrap this aluminum piece around. Make sure it has a really tight fit. This is really just for looks. And I did the same on the other nunchuck. Then on the top of our nunchucks I glued a 3 centimeter in diameter piece with a little slot, so I slid it on just like that, and I did the same for the other nunchuck. Then take some rubber bike tube and cut a long strip of rubber that is 1 centimeter in width. Then take your strip of rubber and spiral it down the whole nunchuck and glue it if you're sure you want to keep this, but since I preferred the bamboo look, I decided not to keep it. So I took it off. Just in case if you haven't done this yet, take a file and file the bottom ends of the nunchucks. This will be a lot safer when you're swinging it around. Alright guys, so now I'm done making these bamboo nunchucks, and I'm just waiting for my friend here, Ninja. Well, not this Ninja, of course not, but oh, there he is. Hey Ninja, how are you doing?
I'm Max Imagination.
I got a present for you. I thought you'd like it. Here's a pair of bamboo nunchucks.
Well, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. So now Ninja is gonna show us some tricks he can do with his nunchucks. The most common tricks. Alright guys, that is all for this week's video, showing you how to make these bamboo nunchucks. Now these are like the real nunchucks. These are weapons, these are not toys, okay? So just in case if you make one, I'm just telling you, it's very dangerous when you're swinging these things around. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching guys, see you next week. Peace!